Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix HyperX Cloud 3 mic not working. As you can see, these are the possible solutions regarding this. First, check the microphone mute switch. Ensure that the microphone mute switch on the headset is not activated. If it is, slide it to the unmute position. Second, adjust the microphone volume. Go to the computer sound setting and ensure that the microphone volume is not set to 0 or very low. Adjust to an appropriate level. Third, check the microphone input. Verify that the microphone is plugged into the correct audio jack on your computer. It should be the pink or green jack. Fourth, test the microphone in other applications. Try using the microphone in different applications to see if it is work. If it is work in some application but not others, it might be an issue with the specific application. Fifth, update your audio drivers. Outdated audio drivers can sometimes cause microphone problems. Go to your computer manufacturer website and download the latest audio drivers for your device. Sixth, restart your computer. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve audio issues. So I hope this quick tutorial will help you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.